on my dirty window pane. Rain is falling down again. Under streetlight, flickers fade. Your shadow turns away. You just walked and said no word. Didn't stop, didn't hurt. I stood frozen, couldn't breathe. Time just let me bleed. Since that night I've roamed alone, with broken steps and bones of hope. In every mirror, shattered light, I see your ghost each night. Have you really forgotten me? In this dark I scream your name. Have you truly set me free? But I still burn inside this flame. Under stars or pouring rain, I wait again. Clouds are clearing overhead, Big Dipper shining where you said this won't be the end for us. But you left like dust, chains of worries you left behind, wrap around this heart of mine. Now I breathe through smoke and fire, calling through the wire. Have you really forgotten me? Even stars can't light my way. Have you truly set me free? Even thunder won't drown what I say. Moonless nights and stormy skies, I wait and cry. Come back, I'll break the gate. Oh, hell itself, me won't be late. You and I, eternal flight. Let's burn through every night. Don't forget me, hear my call. I'll rise again, no fear to fall. Every day and every storm, I wait for you to be reborn. Burning soul, your name remains. I wait again.